Enjoy the show, folks.
So Sebastian, how is the dinner doing? Also, do you like the vegetables?
Yes, Dad. My family said that I must eat vegetables to make it healthy.
That's good, Sebastian. You have to eat vegetables while we are having dinner. One more thing, Sebastian. Are you going to go on the boat ride tomorrow?
Yes, Mom. Alberto Santoro said that too. Because tomorrow I'm having a boat ride with my friends.
That's good to hear, Sebastian. Now let's eat.
So Alberto and Jenna, I'm glad that you came here for a boat ride today.
Yes, I am Sebastian. Me and my girlfriend Jenna wanted to go to a boat ride too, because our parents told us that we are going to a boat ride as well.
I agree too.
Same here as well. So what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Wow. Riding on a boat ride is going to be very much fun.
Yeah, I agree with you, Sebastian. And this is going to be so much fun.
Yeah, we'd like to ride in a boat ride too.
I agree with you too.
Same here. This boat ride is so much fun to do.
This boat ride is so much fun. And even my parents asked me and my boyfriend Gabriel to go on a boat ride with my friends.
I agree with my girlfriend.
I agree. I get to see the view while we are on the boat ride.
So Alberto and Jenna, how was the boat ride doing?
Well, it was doing great for us.
I agree with you, Alberto. Plus, I can't wait for Halloween to come as well in October.
Same here. We should do this again someday soon.
Same here. Well then, let's go home now.